Hello guys, welcome to today's presentation. I'll be talking about artificial intelligence and its applications. My name is Chomhendo William. Without wasting time, let's start. So today's presentation is summarized in the following: introduction to artificial intelligence, then artificial intelligence versus human intelligence, the components of human intelligence, the applications of artificial intelligence, and then we shall conclude this presentation. So without wasting time, artificial intelligence is made of two words. As you can see, there's artificial and then intelligence. In simple terms, we shall start with the first one, which is artificial, something which means something made by humans. Then intelligence is the ability to acquire and apply knowledge and skills. So if you combine these two words, you come up with a definition that says artificial intelligence is the ability by which machines are able to acquire and apply knowledge and skills of which these machines are made by humans. Artificial intelligence versus human intelligence is our next subject. Artificial intelligence can be defined by the ability to which machines imitate human intelligence. In other words, the objective of artificial intelligence is to make machines imitate the components of human intelligence, which are the things that people do. So let's look at the components of human intelligence. In summary, we have the linguistic intelligence, which is the ability by which humans are able to express their emotions through spoken or written language. And then we have the logical or mathematical intelligence, which is the ability by which humans are able to solve mathematical problems. This is commonly done through quantification, classification, among others. Then we have the spatial intelligence, which is the ability to identify or notice space and objects around that space. Then we have the bodily movement intelligence, which is basically the ability by which we use our bodies to communicate our emotions or thoughts. This is most commonly with facial expressions, winking, and so on. Then we have the musical intelligence. As you can see, we have the linguistic intelligence as our first point. And now under music, this is the ability by which humans are able to differentiate or distinguish between a tone, a pattern, a pitch in a voice, or written language. Then we have the interpersonal intelligence. This is the ability by which humans are able to relate with one another. Then we have the intrapersonal intelligence. This is the ability by which humans are able to identify where they belong, who they are, and use this knowledge to behave in a certain way. Then we have the naturalist intelligence, which is basically the ability by which humans are able to tell the difference between natural objects and artificial objects. So let's look at the applications of artificial intelligence. We shall look at artificial intelligence in education, whereby artificial intelligence has been used to streamline routine processes, from grading assessments, personalized guidance, to providing detailed feedback to learners so that they understand a given concept in depth. The next one is the smart healthcare. Under this, we can see that artificial intelligence has been used in early disease detection based on the historical data, and also the way virtual health assistants have been integrated in the healthcare system. Then we have commerce, of course, which is common in where AI is very common in e-commerce. It has been used in the automation of online shopping activities. whereby there's now personalized product recommendation based on search histories and also the customer behavior and also preferences. And also we're seeing here that there is virtual shopping assistants as well, which have been incorporated in the e-commerce systems. And then from there we shall be able to look at the smart security, whereby AI is being used in surveillance to identify, of course, humans, videos, objects, events, and also be able to distinguish between the normal and the abnormal events or objects or anything available. And also we can see that AI has been used to identify potential dangers. And under smart security also we can see that AI is being applied to track criminal suspects through image recognition and computer vision. Last but not least, we have the application of AI in automobiles, whereby AI is being used in navigation systems, the cameras and sensors of self-driving cars, and also used to stimulate the decision-making processes and control actions in the driver control systems, such as the brakes, the steering wheels, and so forth. So as we can see from our today's presentation, AI is really doing most of the human work. So I beg to stop here for today's presentation, and thank you.